Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos.
Hey, what's on everybody? Want to make this quick video, go over a couple of things. We are ready to start our trade copier, guys. I know you're excited. We're ready to start the trade copier. People have been asking about it. We are ready. Now I want to go over a few things. We had a test group that we did last week. We did that test group to make sure everything worked, the functionality of it worked. We got everybody connected up, everybody knew how to do it, and to make sure the copier worked. All right, we're down 10%, but hey, we got almost a year's worth of proof that we know what we're doing. 72%, over 70% for the year, right? And we got a video that will show every single trade that we've taken. So we may be down 10% now, but we know what we're doing. We have over history, right? And we have the 2-week signals group that we did, and we were over 70%, 66% in the signals group for 2 weeks. And then with the paid signals group, guys, we are 13-5, guys. That is 72%, 13-5. That's the exact same strategy that we're going to be using for the copier. 13-5. That's 18 trades. So 13 wins out of 18 trades, guys. That's over 72%. So do we know what we're doing? Yes, we do. We think we've proven that we know what we're doing. So we're not worried about being down the first couple of days, 10%. We're at 72% for the year, guys. We know what we're doing. We got this. So you either want it $100 a month or you don't. It's actually $120 because it's $20 a month for your trade, for your hosting, for the copier. But you'll go to my.social trader tools to get that done. I got a video that shows you how to do all of that, set everything up, guys. Again, it's $100 a month. You either want it or you don't. We've proven ourselves enough that we know what we're doing. So jump on board. I'm going to be doing a Zoom Sunday night at 7 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, 7 p.m. Eastern, Sunday night. And getting everybody set up. You must already have your hosting set up. You must already have your account with my social trader tools set up. If you come to the Zoom, you don't have all that stuff set up, guys, you probably won't get hooked up Sunday night because I don't have time to sit there and wait for everybody to go get an account, then go get their hosting. You got this whole weekend to get all that done. I'll be putting in the group, the Discord, the links that you need to get all that stuff done, the video to watch to get all that stuff done. It's very, very simple. If you watch the video, it won't take you more than 10 minutes. But get it all done. Because again, if you don't have it done when you get on the Zoom, just don't even get on, because we're not going to have time to sit there and wait for you to go get an account and then get your hosting. All right. So I'm gonna put all the information in the email that people sent me for requesting information. I'll be emailing everybody and putting everything in the Zoom. All right. Putting everything in the Discord for you to get set up, guys. Again, we have proven ourselves over the past year that we know what we're doing. The strategy is the exact same strategy that we're going to be using for the copier. We're going to grow these accounts successfully. Don't come asking what's the rate of return, what's the the percentage that we're doing and stuff like that, guys. It's $100 a month. You either want it or you don't. Bottom line, guys, we think we know what we're doing. We're gonna be, of course, can we guarantee anything? No, we can't guarantee anything in Forex, but we've been doing this long enough and we've proven it. We've got results to show everybody. We don't just say it. We're not a lot of fluff and just say what we're doing. We got the proof to back it up, right? And we're gonna be posting all that proof on social media, on YouTube, stuff like that. So you can't say, well, they just said this, but they don't have no proof. We got the proof. We know what we're doing, guys, okay? So again, Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern, be ready, have your account set up, have your hosting set up. If not, no sense in getting on. $100 a month, you either want it or you don't.
Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos.